Good morning, Lagini. Log into your Drive. I'll upload a code over here. I've given the data on Drive, guys. Go to your boosting. Guys, you have to go to boosting. Inside boosting, you have extreme boost. On that one, make sure you run the code, guys. It will consume more time for you. Also given an example file to you. Just download the example file.
Sir,
Yes, please. Yes, Priyanka.
sir, I'm handling data in Google Colab. Is there difference in Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab?
Yes, Google Colab is made by the Google. Okay. Second, in Google Colabs, everything is inbuilt given for you. You can run any codes. Point number one. Second, Google Colab is not a software. It's a server. And Jupyter is a software for you. So Google Colab
This
is online
weekend I
platform.
will.
You can think like this, right? Google Colab is
Yes.
online service, and Jupyter is your offline service. Think like this way.
Okay. But sir, I have practice of Google Colab. I don't use Jupyter till.
That also. It's okay. You can use Google Colab also. I'm fine with that.
But it gives some error.
Can you share your screen? Where do you get error? In Google Colabs, you will not get error. You will get error for data import only, max to max.
Okay. I will check it.
ये इसी ऑन कर दो ना. Off and light on होती है. So prior we have, if you're getting error, you just have to run the code. First we'll work on concept. If concept is okay, then we can move forward. Guys, here we have taken a data set of small 4 rows where we have drug dose and drug effectiveness. So here, your Y variable is your drug effective and X variable is your drug dose. Here we are working on regression task. Numbers, you know. There are 2 ways, guys, if you remember, regression and classification. Okay, so we call extreme boost, okay, or we call as XGBoost. Here we have 2 methods, regression and classification. Clear? I am taking example of regression. Online students, clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, we have to make a tree because boosting is a concept of making trees only. Okay, to make a decision tree, guys, which method we use? Gini index. So decision tree works on Gini, and boosting also works on Gini only. So, but when you works on XGBoost works on gain. No, it's a gain. Information gain is different, it's a gain. So XGBoost works on gain for you. Clear? Here also, guys, we have to make a tree only. But tree is using based on gain value. Clear? In gaining, guys, how we select which variable is the best one? Based on highest value. So whichever variable have the highest value, that variable be selected. Same way, using gain also, We will select the combination which have the highest value. Look like similar, guys, but the difference occurs over here in terms of computation. Till you're clear? The computational differences is there. Anyone have any question, please ask. Any question in your mind? First step is to do prediction. We required initial prediction. If you see, every time we require initial one, in boosting, when we're working for regression, we take average. For classification, we take log. Same way here also, guys, we required some initial prediction. By default, initial prediction, either for regression or classification, we take a value as 0.5. Clear? Initial prediction is 0.5. Any question? Can you compute error, guys? How we compute error? Y minus y hat. This is your x, this is your y, this is your y hat. What is the formula for error? Y minus y hat. 10 minus 10.5 minus 10 minus 0.5 is how much? Got the point how we get this number, guys? Anyone have any question till now? Till here is easy. Ragini, Anisha, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, further, if you remember, whenever we compute error, we compute average error. Okay. But if you remember, whenever we compute error, we make tree on error. Agree? So we'll make a decision tree. Okay. On this error, because first we works on data, next we works on error. Now, question comes, guys. If we have male, female, it's become easy to make a tree. But if you have numbers, how to make a tree? We can further split male, female, easy to read. But if you have numbers, it becomes difficult. So what we do, okay, we try different combinations. Okay. Combination say, let's say, I want to break my data for drugs, dose. What happened? My X variable is drug dose. The way the people receive the drugs, okay. If it takes 500 ml, like we happen at the bottle given by doctors, they give you some power medicines, 250 mg, 500 mg. That power is called as a drug dose. So can I make a combinations over here? Can I break further into less than 15 and more than 15 possible? This threshold, guys, I selected randomly. Same way, can I do less than 22.5? What will be opposite? This combination, guys, I am taking random, okay? Can I do third one combinations? Less than 30 or more than 30? Till you're clear. On 1x, I tried 3 combinations. Whichever combination give me the highest gain value, that combination is best for me. Till you're clear. Or should I repeat? Okay. Now to compute a combination, to compute a gain value, there is a formula. Okay. I'll give you the formula, guys. It is called as similarity score. Write this one. My suggestion for you guys, first write this data. Then you write this formula, so that your notes will be proper. Write topic name. No, not mid theory. XZ boosting, your X, your Y, your Y hat, your Y minus Y hat. Write this one. Guys, once you done this, inform me.
Initial prediction will always end 0.5.
No. Initial prediction always will be 0.5 for regression also and for classification also. I've already written over there. Shall I? Next, guys, we have to use, you can write hashtag similarity score. Done, everyone? Shall I? Is right. Lambda, let consider lambda as 0. Let consider lambda is equal to 0. Now, guys, to compute similarity score for entire data. If you remember, in the tree we have root node, then we have branches, parent node, child nodes. Okay. Let's compute for root node. We'll use the same formula, guys. Okay. How many error we have, guys? 4 rows. What is the value? Plus, 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 case. Clear? How many rows we have taken? Number of residual. How many? Lambda value 0. Sum of residual done. Then later I have to do square roots. Can you solve like this way? And can you give me a number, please? How much?
-4.
So we are getting root node as 4. Just cross check, please. Guys, what is the first combination we have taken? Sorry, I may forget to write you this. Hashtag for combination number 1. हम इस combination के लिए solve कर रहे हैं. And this is the point number 1 which we computed. Now guys, if you remember, we have a root node. Let me explain you. We break into 2 parts. Less than 22.5 and more than 22.5. Agree? Can I call this as a left branch? Can I call this as a right branch? Clear? So computing for left. What we have in left?
8 and -4.
How many rows are less than 22.5 guys? 2 rows. How much is their error?
-10.5 and 6.5.
Number of rows? 2 plus 0. Can you give me the number, please?
Into square items. Eight.
Is 8 clear? How we get this 8? Can you try for the right branch? How many rows we have for the right branch? 2. What is their error? So this becomes 0 for you. Write this one. Guys, this diagram, should I erase this part? I just drawn for your understanding. Clear? So we compute for root node, we compute for left, we compute for right. The main objective is to compute gain. Root node once again, let me write the formula, guys. Once again. What is the answer, guys? Correct? 8 plus 0 minus 4. Clear,
Sir,
clear, guys.
sir,
Yes,
I'm
please.
proud, sir. The value 22.5, don't we calculate that also?
This
When,
co this combination we have taken randomly.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
So what we're trying to do, we're trying to make a tree where we will split on this combination.
okay.
Okay. We'll try different combination also.
But sir, in Excel sheet, I've seen that threshold value is 22.5. So don't we consider in the calculations?
We have considered the calculation, no? How many drug dose are less than 22.5, Anisha? How many values in X are less than 22.5? These two numbers.
Yes, sir.
With these two numbers, how much error we have?
Minus 10.5.
Can you see the left branch?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move forward? Okay. Guys,
Yes.
we tried combination number 1, which we selected randomly. So now I want you to try combination for less than 15 and more than 15. Root node will remain same. It will never change. You just have to change in left and right. How many are less than 15? Guys, you do not have to solve the root node again and again. It will remain same for you. You just have to solve for left and right. Anybody answer for this? The left one. 110 point. Please cross check. And for this one, right one, what is the gain value? Left plus right. Please cross check, guys. हाँ, तो root node 4 ही होगा ना? 1110 कैसे होगा? 110 plus 10 कितना होगा? 1110.25 plus 14.08 minus 4. काम से बेटा नहीं है. I'll explain again. Don't worry. Done, guys. Everyone, online students. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
So guys, we done two combination. Less than 22 point, less than 15. Now my suggestion, try for third one also. Less than 30, greater than 30. 30 है ना, सेम नहीं है, डिफरेंट है. Less than 30, I have three numbers, na? Minus 10.5 plus 6.5 square divided by 3 plus 0. How much?
4.0.
How much for the right one? Okay, this is the last calculation. I've already given the file on drive. Don't worry. Okay. XGBoost. So we have three: ADA, Radian, XG. So today we are doing XGBoost.
What is the difference between these?
Be relaxation. Okay. Then Priyanka, Anisha, or Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now guys, I'll come back to the basic of introduction again. Okay. You have all three calculation. We will relate now. Okay. Guys, when we do a decision tree, okay, we compute Gini value for all variable. Correct? We compute Gini value for x1. We compute for x2. We compute for x3. Out of all three, we select which have the highest value. Till here clear? Same way, when you working on XGBoost, instead of computing Gini, we'll compute gain. Okay, and we'll compute for all x. Whichever x give you the highest value, that variable is selected. Ye clear ho gaya? Now guys, in our example, we have only one x1. I'm teaching you how we think for numbers variable. If you remember, in decision tree, I have taken category data. I have not taken numbers. अगर जैसे कि हमारे पास यहाँ पे एक जेंडर है, easy to run, Gini. Let me open for you guys on screen, everyone. Decision tree. Just remember this example. Everyone, what we do? We compute Gini for all x. These are my Gini values: 0.65, 0.63, 0.57. Whichever highest, that we selected. Agree? Okay. Now guys, think like this way here. Do we have anywhere number variable? No. So what it's compute, for example, as for this example, guys, what I'll explain you. Let's select here. It will compute for bill. It will compute for gender. It will compute for STD plan. Let's say you have another variable called age of a customer. Example. The question comes, where should I make a bucket of age? Less than 30, more than 30, more less than 35, more than 35. Which threshold should I select? So what software do for age variable? She try all combinations. Less than 30, more than 30, less than 15, more than 15, You try another combination less than 22.5, greater than. How many combination we try, guys? 3. For all 3 combination, I'll compute Gini value. Let's say less than 30, Gini value is 0.70, 0.85, or let's say 0.89, 0.30, which is highest, guys? Which one is highest? Can I call this is highest? Can I say other 2 combination should not present, should be deleted? Because so how it works for number, it try all combination and select the best Gini value. तो age का कितना आ गया? Let's say example I'm writing, guys. Which is highest? So inside the combination of age, less than 15, greater than 15 is best. But between variable, which is the best variable? Gini. ये समझा कैसे select हो गया? Now clear, or should I repeat? Kiran, you look like question mark. Should I repeat? ये कैसे कंप्यूट करते याद है? याद है ना? जैसे हम बिल का करेंगे, same we can do for gender, can you do for estate plan? Same way, can you do for age less than 15, more than 15? कर सकते हैं. Can you do for age less than 30, more than 30? So you do all combination at the back end. Which combination will select, which have the highest Gini? So for age, which combination, guys, we selected? Less than 59, more than 50. ये समझा? तो age variable में ये combination best है. Now question comes for business, okay, for a tree. Which variable have the highest Gini? Correct. This way, we make a tree. Now same concept, you replace Gini, instead of Gini, you take gain. अभी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Gain. और हम क्या ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं? Decision tree. Got the point? In my scenario, guys, I have taken only 1x. और वो x के हम combination try कर रहे हैं. Okay. Now you tell me the combination which we tried, the gain value for less than 15 is how much? 120. For less than 22, for less than 30, which is highest? Got the point? How to select the best combination, and then best variable remains same concept, and we'll make a tree. Clear? So here we say that variable is drug dose, and we will split with less than 15 and 15. ये clear हो गया? Anyone have any question? Okay. Now, guys, the question comes, we need to further split. One splitting is okay, but I need to do a further splitting. Okay. In less than 15, how many rows I have, guys? Minus 10. I'll write here rows as minus 10. ये clear हो गया? In more than 15, how many rows I have? 3 rows. ये clear हो गया? Means I need to further split. You think like this way. Now, guys, if I need to further split from here, okay. What should I do now? Again, we need to compute gain. Okay. Gain for how many rows? For 3 rows. Same we did in Guinea also, guys. Remember decision tree. So you don't have to do a calculation, guys. I have done over here split 2. Right, same combination. Less than 22, less than 30, which have the highest gain value, guys? 140. So which combination is the best? So drug dose less than 30, more than 30. Got the point, guys? How will be making a tree for you? Can we call this one as parent node? This one as root node? This one as child nodes? Clear? Anyone have any question can ask, please. जेंडर है, एसटीडी प्लान है और ड्रग डोज है, ओके, और लेट्स से एज है. व्हाट यू विल डू? और लेट्स से जेंडर की जगह वी टेक मैरिटल स्टेटस, जेंडर, मैरिटल स्टेटस, ड्रग डोज. यू विल कंप्यूट गेन फॉर ऑल 3. यहाँ पे आ गया, लेट्स से एग्जांपल 10, 40, 120, which is highest? So we will use. Got the point? Second, for remaining rows, again you will compute gain. Are you getting a point? Combination try करो. आप मैनुअल नहीं करोगे, सॉफ्टवेयर कर देगा आपके लिए. तो सॉफ्टवेयर मैंने ड्रॉ करता हूँ, अब वेट करो. You will get the answer. Gender, marital status, drug dose. Okay. Male, female, male, female. Single, married, single, married. 10, 30, 25, 40. ये क्लियर हो गया? X1, X2, X3. And you have your Y. So what do you do, guys? Again, क्या करोगे पहले? You will calculate. जेंडर का किया, कितना आ गया? 10. स्टैंडर्ड प्लान का मैरिटल स्टेटस का किया, you get as 40. Now in drug dose, you apply combination. If you remember, we applied 3 combination in the first one: less than 15, less than 22, and less than 30. Which is the highest one? Less than 15. So here we get how much number? 120. Which combination? Which variable is the best one? Which variable is the best variable for splitting? किया ना, ये रहा नेक्स्ट के लिए. अरे गाइस, हम हर एक वेरिएबल के लिए गेन कंप्यूट कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहे. किसका हाईएस्ट है? ये क्लियर हो गया. ये कॉम्बिनेशन हमने कैसे सेलेक्ट किया? नंबर वेरिएबल में सारे कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई करो, जो बेस्ट है वो निकाल लो, फिर सारे एक्स का निकालो, then you select which is the best one. So here we get as DD. Okay, less than 15 हो गया और more than 15 हो गया. Example. Okay, now more than 15 में guys, what I will do? How many rows are more than 15? 3 rows है. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. Again, I will compute Gini for how many rows, guys? 3 rows. ये clear हो गया? इसका आया 130. 16. Can you give me any combination of DD? Less than 30, more than 30? Shall I do? Vallabh? ये कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे सिलेक्ट हुआ? बैकएंड में सारे कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई हो गए, जो बेस्ट है वो प्रिंट होगा. Which is the highest gain? 10. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा होगा? Print. We split with. How much time it will take to understand this?
So ये जो characters हैं वो label encode करके हमने convert कर
पहले कॉन्सेप्ट समझो, पाइथन में क्यों आ रहे हो?
ये तो फिर ये कैसे numbers में कैसे
ये कैसे किया था?
ये वो वाला किया था।
हाँ. इस कॉन्सेप्ट लिया अनीशा, रागिनी, प्रियंका.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have taken example of only one x. So I get this type of tree. ये tree clear हो गया? Or do you want me to repeat? In my case, guys, how many x we have? कितने x है हमारे पास? एक x है. Within x we try multiple combination and we selected dose 15. How we selected this dose 15, guys?
Gain value
Gain value से ये clear हो गया. So here we have how many rows remains? 3. One row comes over here. Again, what I will do, I will try all combination for how many rows? 3 rows. Here we have, and here we have. ये clear हो गया. Can I call this as a tree, guys? Yes or no? This is called. This one is called. This one is called silence. Guys, if you have any question, please ask. I'll repeat for you because I'm coming to the last steps.
तो ये कितना भी बड़ा हो सकता है
हाँ, वो तो नॉर्मल ट्री है. खाली गेन की जगह गिनी की जगह गेन यूज कर रहे हैं. हाँ सर, कैटेगरी हो नंबर्स हो,
इतना ही difference है।
इतना ही डिफरेंस है. Over there we use Guinea, here we use gain. That's a difference. Need to teach you how to read the tree. Tree बना लिया. I'll repeat the steps on screen. First we compute initial forecast, initial prediction. Then we compute error. On this error, guys, I have make this tree. After getting tree, I will compute average error. Clear? Okay. Now to compute average error, can I say my y variable is number? If y is number, what we compute? Mean. Can you compute mean of these two, guys? इसका mean कितना होगा? 7. This will remain as 8. Did you agree with this point? इसका mean same होगा ना? इसका भी same ही होगा. So whichever data comes in that row, I will written same as it is. Now first customer age is less than 10. That goes is 10. Where should I go, guys? Left or right? What is the average value? Same as it is I've written. Now second row, more than, here we have 20. More than 15. Then next. Less than 30. What is the average number? What's the point? Why do I write 7 over here? Now third row, 25. Where should I go? Right, more than 15, less than 30. What is the average? 7. What's the point? How we get this 7, guys? Average error clear हो गया? Ragini, Priyanka, clear for you both?
Yes, sir.
Guys, last steps. Now we need to do a prediction. If you remember, whenever we do a prediction, we have done initial prediction 1. Now we'll do prediction number 2. To do a prediction, we take prediction 1 plus learning rate 1. Initial prediction is how much, guys? 0.5 plus how much learning rate I have taken? This number I decided, guys. Average error is how much for the first row?
minus 10.5.
Can you multiply and give me the answer, please?
Minus 8.9.
Minus 8.9.
8.9 minus 0.89. No?
8.9.
Guys, 1% getting minus 8.9. Okay. 8.9. Can I round off to 9, guys, directly? Are you getting answer as minus 9? ये clear हो गया? Or should I repeat? Do you want me to repeat? The way we done for one row, can you do for remaining rows? Do for all rows and give me the answer, guys. Whatever the number you're getting, guys, you write your number. Mine is round off number. आपको prediction करना है, error नहीं करना है अभी फिलहाल. Average error, no? हाँ. The formula is what is there in the formula. You have to use that only. You will take this as 7th, second row and third row. Fourth row you will take as minus 8.
बहुत क्लोजर आ गया.
लर्निंग रेट बहुत हाईली है ना. मैंने अगर मैं लर्निंग रेट में चेंज करता हूँ, done everyone. Guys, how to compute error? What is y value? Minus 10 first row, minus 8.95. Put the number which you get. And we get error something like this way. Compute error, guys. Do for all rows.
0.2, 1.2, 0.2.
Yes, if you're done with error, we'll start the explanation. Now, guys, if you can see how much is the first error we have, error 1 for the first row, 10.5. How much we reduce to 1.5? Can I say my error reduces? Second, how much is the error? 6.5. How much we reduce to? 0.2. Can I say if I keep on making a tree, my error will keep on reducing? Online students, clear for you. What is the first, second row? What is the first, second row? What is the value for y, guys? 7. What is the first in? 0.5. What is the second prediction? 6.8. Can I say as my prediction keep on improving, my error will keep on decreasing? Can you call this a sequential model, guys? Just keep on running and building for you. Clear? Anyone have any question can ask? Similar to boosting, guys. Here we keep on making trees. Main thing is here what we have done, I've taken learning rate as 0.9. Any change in learning rate on screen? If I take learning rate 0.3, see what happened. It increases. If I take learning rate as 0.8, see what happened. So can I say learning rate will have impact on accuracy? Clear? Anyone have any question can ask, please. Clear? Second point. Now, guys, if you remember, every time we bring lambda value is 0. What is the first value we get for the first split, guys? First combination. For less than 15, what is the value we get? 120, correct? Okay. Now, guys, if I take lambda value as 1, what happened to the number? आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे लिख किया था? Less than 15. Okay, let me do for you on screen. For less than 15 is your left side, and you have your right. In less than 15, how many rows we have, guys? What is the number, Sina? How much?
6.5.
Correct. You get this number as and when you get gain value, you get as 120 point. Now, guys, if I take lambda value as 1, what happened to this calculation? Can you do anyone? How much this will become now? 1. Next, for what happened to next one? करो ना फोन में कुछ करके बोल सकते हो ना. 10.56 on screen. Again, you will compute gain. This value comes when lambda is 0. This value comes when lambda is, how much I get in Excel? ये clear हो गया? The way I compute for one combination, guys, can I compute for remaining combination? Which have the highest value, guys? Okay. Let me write for you. in a proper way. We done 3 combination, less than 15, more than 15. When lambda was 0, how much gain we get? 120. When lambda was 1, how much is the gain? 62.49. Be clear हो गया? When combination was can you tell me the gain please? Excel file है देखो और gain बोलो. Less than 22 is how much? 4 है 56 point. Then no need to look on screen. On screen, guys, we tried 3 combination. When lambda was 0, which variable is highest, guys? Which combination is highest? This combination was highest. ये clear है सबके लिए? Or should I repeat? Okay. When I take lambda as 1, guys, which combination is highest again? Same. So what is the use of lambda? Can I say lambda reduces the number? The number integrity is the calculation part. Got the point? So lambda is only used to reduce the power of number. Variable selection will remain same. Combination selection will remain same. So it is just used to reduce the calculation part. Or you can say to make calculation faster. Got the point? Easy for you. This is a type of XGBoost.
तो 0 ले या 1 ले
You use of what? Just to make calculation faster. Ab 1 rakho, 2 rakho, it's your limit. The range of lambda is between greater than or equal to 0. आप कोई भी नंबर ले लो. Infinity तक. उसका use क्या है? To make a calculation faster. Got the point? Okay. So the moral of the story. Okay. In XGBoost, we compute gain for every x, correct? And how we select which of the highest gain, and that highest gain is used to make tree. In decision tree, guys, can we do pruning? Same all concept of pruning, number of branches, parent nodes, child nodes, you can apply over here. The way we read decision tree, same way we will read XGBoost. If what changes happen, guys, in decision tree and XGBoost, we just use over here as Guinea when we run decision tree. If you're working on XGBoost, we use say we difference. Gain is different, formula is different. Inside gain, guys, we use a concept of lambda. Lambda is used to make a calculation faster. Clear? Interpretation, reading, everything will remain same. If you want to draw the structure, you can draw. Over here, you can apply pruning. Inside pruning, guys, can we apply grid search? Inside grid search, can we use k-fold? समझा? This pruning grid search k-fold is optional. From my side, concept done. Any question can ask.
Any categorical variable gain
हाँ,
करेंगे segmentation
gain ही use करेंगे. हाँ, gain ही use करेंगे तो gain ही बोलेगा.
gain index plus
Gini index सिर्फ highest computation में use होता है. gain subtraction भी रहता है ना. This is the flow chart. You can write hashtag flow chart.
तो Monday का timing क्या है?
Monday guys, you have to come by 8:30 every Monday.
इस Monday को
Online students, your Monday timing will be 8:30 to 12:30.
Okay, sir.
For every Monday, the timing will be fixed. Okay. And for every Friday, you have to come at 11. Shall I explain in Python, guys? Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
Monday we have lectures or Tuesday?
From Monday to Friday, we will have lectures now.
Okay.
आपको मैं इसका थोड़ा भी थियरी नहीं लिखा ना.
कोई लिखना है
अपने कल अड्डा पोस्ट का लिखा था.
बेटा कुछ कर उससे पहले boosting
बोस्टिंग लिखा डेफिनेशन, अड्डा पोस्ट लिखा, ये लिखा था अपने एक्सिबोस का. I'm just asking you. यार वो हाफ एन आवर में कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. Guys, 1 second. Online students, guys, will not able to complete your Python in half an hour. My suggestion, can you write the theory for the next concept? Will be okay for you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
The exam of coming.
Okay, this is a new concept. Write the name. Hmm. इसमें भी use there is this algorithm name. One of the very simple and easy algorithm. Please write this one. Done, everyone?
Okay,
Shall I change, guys? Guys, write this one. Write faster the second line. Agni, Anisha, Priyanka will stop now. Okay, we'll further continue on Monday.
Okay, sir.
लासो रेट जो है ना वो एक लाइन इसके लिए, एक लाइन इसके लिए, एक लाइन रिग्रेशन के लिए, 3 लाइन के अंदर पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट हो जाता है। अब उसके टाइप्स है।